Welcome to Road Warriors, the place where power meets performance and machines speak louder than words. Today, we are going to explore a true symbol of Indian defense capability, the 2025 Arjun Mk1. This isn't just a tank, it's a war machine born out of years of research, field testing, and battle readiness. Designed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and built indigenously, the Arjun Mk1 reflects both national pride and engineering brilliance. At the core of this battle tank is a 120mm rifled gun that can fire a wide range of ammunition types, from high-explosive rounds to our more piercing fiend-stabilized discarding sabot, AFS, shells. It's not just about firepower, though. The Arjun Mk1 comes equipped with a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a 12.7mm anti-aircraft gun mounted on the turret. Whether it's engaging enemy armor, infantry, or aerial threats like drones and helicopters, this tank can handle it all. In modern warfare, seeing the target before it sees you is half the battle won. That's why the Arjun Mk1 features advanced targeting systems including thermal imaging, laser rangefinders, and a computerized fire control system. This technology ensures that the gunner can lock onto and destroy targets accurately, even in night conditions or low-visibility environments like fog or dust storms. The tank can also track moving targets while on the move, giving it a serious advantage in high-speed combat scenarios. Powering this giant is a 1,400 horsepower diesel engine, giving it an impressive top speed of up to 70 km per hour on paved roads and about 40 km per hour off-road. Considering its weight of around 58 tons, that's nothing short of remarkable. Thanks to a robust hydro-pneumatic suspension system, it remains stable even on rugged terrain, gliding over rocks, trenches, and hills with ease. This makes it perfect for deployment across India's varied landscapes, from deserts to plains and even semi-mountainous regions. But it's not just about power and mobility. Protection is a priority too. The Arjun Mk1 uses Kanchan composite armor, a multi-layered defense system that provides excellent protection against both kinetic and chemical energy threats. Inside the crew compartment, everything is designed for survival and efficiency. It features an automatic fire suppression system, protection against nuclear, biological, and chemical attacks, and a well-organized interior that ensures the four-member crew can operate under pressure. What makes the 2025 Arjun Mk1 truly special is that it's a tank made in India, for Indian conditions. Unlike imported machines that need adaptation, the Arjun is born to perform in the harsh realities of our subcontinent. It also allows for modular upgrades, meaning future tech can be added without replacing the entire system. In every way, it's a tank that balances tradition with innovation, brute force with brainpower. So if you are a fan of military technology, Ropa.